bringing you recipes and tips through the application of nutritional and biochemical concepts in exploring simple but powerful natural ingredients to address our daily challenges. Today's natural ingredient is 4 citrus family. Alright, we have Shaddock orange, lime, lemon, and just the normal oranges. I call this drink 4 Alive because it's quite affordable. Aside that, the vitamin C endowed in this fruit perform 4 major functions, which I'm glad to share with you today. One, it helps in the synthesis and maintenance of collagen, which is responsible for our skin elasticity and youthfulness. It helps in the production of white blood cells, which helps in maintaining your immune function. Third, studies have shown that women under the age of 60 who are on vitamin C supplements have 57% lower chances of developing cataract. That's right, that means it helps in the eyesight as well. Fourth one is that vitamin C is an antioxidant vitamin, and this means that it can scavenge free radicals. Free radicals are major culprits in disease conditions such as diabetes, hypertension, cancer, and even aging. So join me. Let's rock this drink together. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new here, please click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you won't miss an update from me. There's surely more. Take it away from me. like seeing your likes. I like reading your comments. Guys, keep it coming and smash the subscribe button. All right, if you haven't already, and the bell icon so that you won't miss an update from me. There's surely more, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.